welcome back to my channel. I'm Asante and you're with Asante, and this is a very long due video because I'm meant to be doing I think in the beginning of the year I wanted to do a room tour, but you know what I'm doing right now, and after this I'm going to go back to studying. It's exam season, so I just wanted to show my room before, you know, it's all packed, and you know, so I want to just do this first. So yeah, welcome to my annual room tour. Okay, hey, I'll just do my skincare from here. So yeah, so when you enter my room, there's just bags, and these bags are full of plastic. Actually, let me show. Yeah, it's like plastic for shopping and stuff. These are my tote bags this side. Yeah, and this is my gown. Yeah, so these are my brushes and toothpaste, my hair section, and this is the skin, pimple patches, serum, and this is micellar water. This is a, wow, I'm not good at this, body mist. This is a skin, like, well, my sunscreen I use after applying everything on my skincare. My lotion also I use this on my face. This is my toner from Eclipse, Listerine, and Vaseline. And this is my sink. Underneath the sink I have all my washing and cleaning supply, let's say it like that. These are my posters. Then I got my gym mat and a resistant band. This is like the hard version. This one will burn your legs, you know what I'm saying? It will burn your legs. And these where I keep all my towels and stuff. This is what I use to go to the shower. This is my body wash. This is what I use. This smells so good. 10 out of 10. Like, siapela. I have my like all this weight. Well, you know, roll on. I'm trying to take this thing out, but yeah, it's not working. And then this soap is good with like acne and stuff, so yeah, I use it all the time. My cotton pads are here, wet wipes. This is why I actually put my dishwasher in. It's so cute. I got it from Pep Home actually. Like, it is so cute. My fan and room spray because my room needs to smell good. And we go down to my fridge. It's empty. Don't ask questions. I'm like going back home anyway, so I don't want to buy anything. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot about this. Yo. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot about this. Let's not talk about my fridge, okay? It's so depressing. It's usually more fuller than this. It's just that I'm going home in a few days anyway, so that's an excuse. Really, I'm going home. I'll probably upload this when I'm home. This is water. I'm gonna use it to go study. Or should I just use this water? I'll probably will take this. And because I stay in a catered res, so like it's fine, you know, this is fine. And then my apple cider. And I don't know why I'm putting honey in the fridge, but that is there just to make the fridge look fuller, I guess. Yeah, so this is my section. Most of my things are here. So let me explain again. Like, let's not talk about the fridge. The fridge, so too lala. Oh my gosh, my mirror. I forgot I gotta show you my mirror actually. Yeah, that's my mirror. That's my family. That's a Bible verse. And these are inspirational quotes. Yeah, you know, sometimes when I don't feel myself, these help. So yeah, mosquitoes hate me, so I have peaceful sleep. I have the one you put on your skin. I put in my skincare tray because, you know, mosquitoes hate me, and this is my President's Award. And I actually need to buy more batteries. This thing is, yeah, it's not as bright as it used to be. And these are my coffee mugs. Look, this is the MD. Yeah, this is the MD thing they gave us. It's so cute. This is where I keep all my mugs, my ice cream spoon. I don't have ice cream in my fridge, but when I do, I do. And then these are my straws. Basically straws and the cleaners, and chopsticks. Actually, these are chopsticks. I got them from Kmart and Oz. And then these are sachets, more cappuccino sachets, a mug, and Jacobs. That's my favorite instant coffee, period. Not much. This is my plates, and then that's my iron board, my glasses, my makeup, and then this is my Bible and my books, and then my Vi. And this is also what we got. I was table 14 for my trick. I actually never checked what, I forgot what table. But this is what they gave us, you know, on your tables. And it's cute, and I use it as decoration. More of these, the BTS movie I watched. I don't remember. Oh, was this 2019? I was in grade 10. Damn. Yeah. And then these are sticky notes, like when I rip and use them. The year. Oh my gosh. I forgot to change it to November. Literally, it's November the 4th. Wait, no, the 5th. Okay, anyway, I forgot to change the month. It's the 1st of the month. It's the 1st of the month. I forgot to change that. It's not really the 1st of the month, but if you know that sound, you know. And these are more quotes, Bible verses. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this up later on. It's probably gonna fall right now. I just said that. And then my K-pop album, you definitely see this. Remember when I did a room tour back in 2019? This was only my only album. Yeah, I got One Ho and New Jeans. And then these are my devotionals, my photo card, yeah, whatever you can see. My friend got this for me for my birthday. I think I also, it has its days. It's very bright, but like obviously I have to switch off the lights. It's very bright, but yeah. And then this, I got it from Zeitmacher. I don't know if I'm saying right, because a lot of people say it differently. So it's a museum, the Art Contemporary African Museum near Waterfront. And then this is a thing I did last year, the beginning of last year. It was like a res activity, I think, like a res, you know, res week or whatever. So there was like an art session, and I decided to do Johnny. I don't know if it looks like Johnny to you guys. Machel. So here's all my medicine, because Cape Town hates me, guys. Actually, Cape Town really hates me. I don't know why, because back at home, back at KwaZulu-Natal, I don't get sick. Here in Cape Town, it hates me. And right now I have a sore throat and having lozenges. Like, oh my god, why does Cape Town hate me? Here's all my compartments. Not much, just my compartments and things. And this is where my computer is. And I put one of my perfumes here, my makeup brushes. And I got this from Bargain Books. It's like oops, it has verses on it. And yeah, and you can write a message or something. I just want something to strengthen my faith. Yeah, and it does say prayers to strengthen your faith. So I was like, perfect, when I was in Bargain Books. Yeah, this is my window, and this is where my chewy is. my clips. I'm a girl that loves clips, and we went to Kalk Bay and my friend gave me this shawl she found. It's so cute. It has rings and everything. Yeah, earrings, just basically hair accessories in general. Oh yeah, and I don't know if you've seen my short, but I went to a clay like cafe and I made, well, I didn't make the bowl, but I painted the bowl. Yeah, and this is my mirror. I put it behind ya, like bruh, like ish. I have to explain the story. Ish, I'm rambling too much. But let me explain what this is first. I keep all my jewelry here, my perfumes and lip stuff and cream. Yeah. Okay, the reason why I used to put it out here, but I'm too scared for the sun to the sun to reflect on something and then cause hazard, you know. So I just put it behind the curtains. So it used to be over there, but the sun is shining and I don't want lilo. So basically that is. And this is my iPad, and that is my bed. Okay, last but not least, this is my cupboard, and obviously I have decorated with my CDs. I've seen these like all over YouTube and TikTok, you know, because K-pop CDs, K-pop like books and like photo books and all that, they're just there for decoration. Like, it's fun to look over the pictures, but you use it once in a while. So I don't have a CD player, and so I should just utilize these CDs. And obviously a poster of new jeans, and I don't want to have too many posters because I don't know, I used to have a one whole poster in my other room. I also used to have a one whole poster first semester, but I don't want to have too much posters. I want to have one poster at a time. Like, it's just creepy. I'm getting changed and I already have 5 people looking at me. I don't want one whole looking at me, you know. And then basically music, literally albums. I took these from my dad and I printed these, and obviously some self-love because we need some. And to be honest, I don't have that much self-love and I need more. So I'm trying to put quotes, try to make myself love myself. Anyway, too much explanation. Is basically it.